Hello everybody, welcome to my nail channel. I don't have any hobbies other than this, other than doing nails and walking my dogs. I don't do anything else. I work, do nails, walk my dogs, that's literally it. So a lot of my money, a lot of my disposable income goes on my hobby, nail products. And today I just want to go through some of the products I picked up in the Zillabeau Black Friday sale. I've got more coming. I have bought some more stuff, but I've got one little box here that I got in their sample sale, and then I got a box here that was my Black Friday purchases. I am a Zilla Plus member, so I got early access. Also, all these products were paid for with my own money, although if you use my code James10, I get a small commission on anything you make. So let's go over to the overhead camera and I'll show you what I picked up. Okay, let's get into it. I'll do the collections in a minute, but I want to show you some kind of basics that I restocked up on. So this is the Tiny Primer, of course, an acid-free primer to help with adhesion. I feel like I'm always saying that word wrong. There are two acid-free primers that I really, really love. This one from Dgel and this one from Tiny, and I say I really love them because they are the only two that I really feel have made any difference for me. I have bought a very popular one off Amazon when I first started that I see a lot of nail people use, and it just wasn't very good, and it stunk compared to these. Also, I just love the Tiny brand. I feel like they could do no wrong with all the collections they come out with. This is a new one for me. This is the Fiote Peach Clear Gel. I've got their builder in this kind of bottle, and the reason I got it is just because, oh look, so I'm guessing this is like a nudie peach builder gel, kind of used as like well, how I'm going to use it is like a protection layer on my nails. It seems to be just a little less thicker than your average builder gel, because I do find that sometimes when I do it on my left hand, I can tend to put too much on because I'm still practicing with my least dominant, oh, my right hand, sorry, I'm still practicing my least dominant hand. So getting something like this that's a little bit, not as thick, I think it's going to benefit me a lot, like a lot. Really enjoying this brand. I think it's called Riposo, or yeah, because when there's a thing you say the O, right? No, I don't know. Riposo. This is just a matte top gel that I wanted to try. I do struggle with a lot of matte tops. I really like the the Ho Lee matte top, and I think I've got one from Dgel. Oh, and F-Nail make a really good matte top gel, but a lot of them can kind of be, they heat spike a lot for some reason, and they tend to be like really powdery and thick for some reason. So yeah, this one looks nice. A bit of a thicker viscosity. Oh, I don't want to flood that. But yeah, looking forward to trying that because I'm really enjoying their liners at the moment. I did in fact stock up on a fair bit of the Riposo products. This is Art Gel. It feels very fancy, it feels very professional. I need to get my phone to see what these actually are. So, as the name suggests, this is just an art gel. You know, whenever you see like those shell nails, or if you want to make like cute little bows or characters or anything 3D-ish, you know? Oh, I got two of those. Because I do use art gels a fair bit on myself. I do like a little bit of the 3D design. I then got this Mabusa white luminous glitter. As you can see, just because I don't actually own a white glitter, and I feel like it's a bit Christmassy, it's a bit wintry, and it's kind of a bit more, you know, there's more like, I'm into very like dark kind of designs, and I feel like I need to practice some more kind of like generic commercial looking designs, you know, like glittery French tips and you know, shit like that. These ones I've been looking forward to. I got these in the Zillabeau sample sales. So this is a potted top gel, just because I want to kind of try using potted tops, especially with 3D designs. It's much easier to get a brush and kind of like brush on the gel. I'm going to open it because I'm going to start using it anyway. Yes, just as I expected, a clear top gel. So yeah, I want to give that a go. This is a black liner. Candy do probably the best liners I've ever used. I always find there's a bit of fiddling around with potted blacks. There's a lot of like, you know, having to like pre-mix and really kind of like make it a lot thinner consistency so that it doesn't go on blotchy and you don't get too much on your paintbrush, and you know, it doesn't not cure because you put too much on. But Candy don't do that, and Dgel is a really another good one as well. But yeah, I've been doing a lot more black lines than I thought I ever would, so stock up on that. By the way, every product comes in this bubble wrap. This is from Riposo as well. Ah, this is the Aurora powder. Look at those. I love this one, obviously the purpley blue I'm always for. Yeah, but a lot of these clear powders aren't made the same. So knowing that Riposo is a brand, Riposo, I didn't know how to say it, is a brand that I've been enjoying so far. I am looking forward to using some of these. On that note, I am bored of using poor quality chromes off Amazon. Here we go. This is the chrome powder set. So you have a more classic goldy gold, and then you have a very yellowy kind of gold, which I won't get too much. I might do actually. I tend to use that kind of gold more. Then this is the metal bling powder set. Again, you get like a classic gold and then a classic silver. I know that silver's going to get a lot of use. I should have bought a couple of those, to be honest with you. But yeah, again, I'm just bored of poor quality Amazon chrome that is either going to do a good job or not. You're never going to know until you actually use it, and sometimes it can be very disappointing. I also got the Sunbake non-wipe top and clear from First Street. Again, just a really nice potted kind of everything gel. I do 3D with this. Again, I just use it as a clear in-between layer and a non-wipe top coat. I'm really excited about this, but I got this from the Black Friday sample sale, and this is just a hand mist, fragrance hand mist. I do believe it's like an antibacterial hand mist type thing, but either way, I just feel like it's a nice finishing touch for when you've done a full set. You've done your cuticle oil, mist this over, gonna smell nice. Right, let's get into the sets. This is the Neon Jelly set by Dgel. It is a syrup set. Oh, hang on, I don't want to ruin that bit. I wanted to buy this because first of all, I don't own a lot of neons. Get a cute little palette with it, like a little display palette, but I probably will just use this as an art palette. And then here they are. We have neon coral, neon pink, neon purple, blue, orange, and green. Let's open the pink. I also don't own a lot of like bright syrup colors. They tend to be very muted, but it's just nice to, oh my God, wow. That is neon. That is neon neon. A bit more orangey than pink, in my opinion. But these also glow in the dark, so I feel like they just make for a nice kind of like cool set of something. I don't know what. I don't know how I'd use them yet. But yeah, I just don't have a lot of syrups, and there's a lot of designs that I've been loving recently that call for a syrup gel, and it's hard to get this kind of pigment and color with syrups in one kind of swoop. And a lot of reviews I've seen about this say how good they are with like one coat. I always do wish these pots were a little bit more full, but they do last a really long time, and they do go a really long way. And it's not like I'm going to be using these all the time, that I'm going to run out super quick, you know? But yeah, excited about that. If you look on the website, you see that they glow in the dark. So I'm really looking forward to this. It's glow in the dark or it's UV light, I'm not sure. Okay, this is one I'm super excited about. This is the Riposo Summer Collection, and these are magnet gels. It's a 10 color set. I believe these came with it as well, and you kind of swatch them and put them on top. Of course, you get your little display card. But yeah, I'm excited about these because they just look so nice. They look so nice. They all kind of have that silvery kind of background to them, like a silvery kind of base. Then you have like blues, purples, pinks, greens, another blue, another purple. I am going to swatch these, of course. Look at that one. So nice. This brand was selling fast because they are becoming super, super popular. I just feel like I've got a lot of these kind of magnet gels, all individuals from different brands, and you know, they're kind of like in my collection. I don't know where they are. So it's nice to have just a full set of these magnet gels with the silver base and like the different colors poking through, kind of giving that Aurora kind of effect. So it's nice to have this whole collection in one thing. So I am going to swatch some of these with some relaxing music. So please enjoy it. All the products will be listed in the description box down below. You can use code JAMES10 if you want 10% off. As I mentioned, all of these were purchased with my own money. However, I do earn a small commission if you use code JAMES10. Get yourself something nice. And here's a swatching, and I'll see you soon.